told you there's not one secret to feeling amazing, but actually 24. That's right, we have 24 custom kits, and each one is designed to help your body do what it was meant to do best: cleanse, restore, and thrive. At Restored Identity, we don't believe in a one-size-fits-all health. Our 24 custom kits target your specific goals. So whether you're trying to deep clean your body from disease and sickness, or balance your hormones, or restore your gut, maybe you're trying to lose a little weight or regrow your hair, or you just want like total rejuvenation, each kit is handcrafted with pure, potent ingredients, no fillers, no shortcuts, and designed to help your body reset naturally from the inside out. And it's not about just looking good. It's about feeling like yourself again. We all want that clear skin, the vibrant energy, strong hair, a calm mind, a clean gut, because life and death begin in the gut. When your body is in balance, everything changes. And this is more than just wellness, it's restoration. So we have 24 kits, 24 different ways to rediscover your best self. The question is, which one will you start with?